Dancehall DJ and Vybz Kartel protege Sikka Rymes has been shot and injured.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Dancehall Entertainer and self-styled Gaza Vice President Sikka Rymes, correct name Javian Chambers, is currently battling for his life in hospital after being shot in the vicinity of the Sovereign Center in Liguanae St Andrew this morning, Sunday, the 1st of December. Information surrounding the incident at the time of this publication is still sketchy, but unofficial reports are that he was shot by unknown assailants approximately 3:45 a.m. Chambers was rushed to hospital where he has been admitted in critical condition. Meanwhile, fellow entertainer and Vybz Kartel co-accused Sean Storm Campbell took to his Instagram page asking for a divine intervention on behalf of his friend. In his post, the incarcerated entertainer said, "Jah know my little brother Sikka. Fight it, youth. Don't cut, youth. Do me a beg you, Jaja. Deliver my brother. Do me a beg you, star."
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.